If you own any of the BSA R12 or Ultra CLX models, then you'll be aware that they come with a fantastic 12-shot self-indexing rotary magazine. However, BSA has just launched a new 20-shot magazine. Exactly the same principle, extremely well made, they're alloy metal, and they're extremely easy to load. All you need to do is open your pellets. I'm using Black Star here. Pop a pellet in and then rotate the dial, pop another pellet in and keep rotating and dropping your pellet in as you go, all the way up to 20. It's as easy as that. And of course, having 20 shots at your disposal means less time reloading and more time shooting. You've got a couple of these in your pocket and you're out hunting. Let's face it, 40 shots. That's a lot of shots when you're hunting, isn't it? Yeah, so get yourself one of the new 20-shot mags available in 177, .22. There's also a .25 version available which holds 16 shots.